Hello guys, today I'll show you the hack version of Subway Surfer review. You see all the character are purchased and your key and money are unlimited. But the clothes are not purchased, but as your key are unlimited you can buy them. And in everywhere the two have goes, its character and its skate stays. You see all skate are purchased, but you need to upgrade them. I like the skate. You see, I use it now. Because its power is one super jump and a double jump, so it's go really high. A super jump, a double jump. See? Super jump, double jump. So I will go now. I hope you like the video and subscribe for more.